Amazing t-shirt hacks transform your old tees. Hey DIY lovers, welcome back to DIY Wizard, your go-to channel for creative, fun, and budget-friendly DIY projects. Today we're giving your plain t-shirts a makeover with some amazing t-shirt hacks that are easy, stylish, and totally unique. Whether you want a trendy cutout design, a cool tie-dye effect, or a completely new way to wear your old t-shirts, I've got you covered. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around till the end because I've got a bonus hack you won't want to miss. Now let's jump into it. For this first hack, we're making a stylish no-sew crop top with a twist detail in the front. An old oversized t-shirt. Chalk or fabric marker. Lay your t-shirt flat on a table and mark a straight line where you want the crop to be. A good spot is just above your belly button. Cut across the line, making sure both sides are even. At the center of the front, cut a vertical slit about 4 inches long. Take both ends of the slit and tie them into a knot. This creates a cute twisted knot effect. Adjust the knot and fluff out the bottom for a natural drape. And there you have it, a super trendy no-sew crop top in just minutes. Next up, let's transform a plain dark t-shirt into an artsy one-of-a-kind piece using bleach. A dark colored t-shirt, black, navy, or maroon work best. Bleach, water, spray bottle, rubber gloves, rubber bands. Crumple your t-shirt randomly and secure sections with rubber bands. Fill a spray bottle with equal parts bleach and water. Lightly spritz the t-shirt, focusing on areas where you want a faded or marbled look. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, watching as the colors change. Once you're happy with the design, rinse thoroughly with cold water and wash separately before wearing. This technique gives your t-shirt an effortless grunge aesthetic, perfect for street style. If you love boho vibes, this fringe t-shirt hack is for you. Basic t-shirt. Ruler. Chalk or fabric marker. Lay your shirt flat and mark a line 3 to 5 inches above the bottom hem. Cut vertical strips from the bottom hem up to your marked line about ½ an inch apart. Stretch each strip slightly to create a more natural stringy look. For a twist, tie every 2 strips together in a small knot for a knotted fringe effect. This is a super fun and playful hack, perfect for summer festivals or beach days. Turn a boring tee into a chic off-shoulder top in just a few simple steps. T-shirt. Measuring tape. Lay your t-shirt flat and mark about 2 inches from the neckline. Cut along this line, following the natural curve of the collar. Try it on. If you want a more dramatic off-shoulder look, cut a little more off. For extra style, roll up the sleeves or tie a knot at the side. It's a flirty and stylish look that works for any casual outfit. And there you have it, 5 amazing t-shirt hacks to give your wardrobe a fresh new look. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY projects every week. And remember, I've got plenty more budget-friendly fashion hacks coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching DIY Wizard, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!